I live in the American Gardens building on West 81st Street, on the 11th floor. My name is Patrick Bateman. I'm 27 years old. I believe in taking care of myself, in a balanced diet, and a rigorous exercise routine. In the morning, if my face is a little puffy, I'll put on an ice pack while doing my stomach crunches. I can do 1,000 now. After I remove the ice pack, I use a deep pour cleansing lotion. In the shower, I use a water-activated gel pad. Then a honey-on body scrub. And on the face, an exfoliating gel scrub. Then I apply an herb mint facial cleanser, which I leave on for 10 minutes while I prepare the rest of the routine. I always use an aftershave lotion with little or no alcohol, because alcohol dries your face out and makes you glow. Then moisturizer. Then an anti-aging eye balm followed by a finally moisturizing protective lotion. There is an idea of a Patrick Bateman, some kind of distraction, but there is none. Though I can hide my cold gaze, and you can shake my hand and feel fresh within yours, and you can even sense our lifestyles are probably comfortable. I'm trying to listen to the new Robert Palmer thing, but Evelyn, my supposed fiance, keeps buzzing me. I'm on the verge of tears by the time we arrive at a Spots, since I'm positive we won't have a decent table. But we do. Relief washes over me. Awesome. I'm fairly certain that Timothy, Bryce, and Evelyn are having their thing. Timothy is the only interesting person I know. I'm almost completely indifferent as to whether Evelyn knows I'm having a struggle with her closest friend. Courtney is almost perfect. She's usually operating on one or more psychiatric drugs tonight. The more disturbing about others is the fact that she's engaged to Louis Combs, the biggest doofus in the business. Alan has mistaken me for this dickhead Marcus Alverstrom. It seems logical because Marcus also works at PNP and in fact does the same exact thing I do. He also has a penchant for Valentine's suits and all his glasses. Marcus and I also, although I have a slightly different America. I can't believe that Bryce prefers that Batman's card to mine. That's so lovely color. The tasteful thickness of it. It's a watermark.
they are dancing. The board floor slamming under the jackboots, and the fiddlers grinning hideously over their canted pieces. Towering over them all is the judge, and he is naked, dancing, his small feet lively and quick, and now in double time, and bowing to the ladies, huge and pale and hairless, like an enormous infant. He never sleeps, he says. He says he'll never die. He bows to the fiddlers and sashays backwards and throws back his head and laughs deep in his throat. And he is a great favorite, the judge. He wafts his hat, and the lunar dome of his skull passes palely under the lamps, and he swings about, and takes possession of one of the fiddles, and he pirouettes and makes a pass, 2 passes, dancing and fiddling at once. His feet are light and nimble. He never sleeps. He says that he will never die. He dances in light and in shadow, and he is a great favorite. He never sleeps, the judge. He is dancing, dancing. He says that he will never die.